always something they leave out, you know?
Oh, it's going to be in court for like 3 years because the son from the first marriage is contesting everything.
Yeah, that becomes a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it'd be a long time.
Either that or, you know, if that doesn't work, then they have to regulate it. Yeah, but there's... I know, I should know. You should. That's what I'm going to say. I got a really good shot.
We're coming in here. Nice 57 right here. Really clean. 57. Rolling in. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep those doggies rolling. Wow, what a turnout.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about. If you got here at 12, you're parking.
Yeah.
I gotta grab gas just to walk. Oh, yeah.
You eating?
Yeah, we're gonna go eat.
You know what? I can't go. I don't think I have a mask. I didn't bring a mask.
Brought my helmet for racing.
I got mine too. Okay, you're on. Like that's gonna save anything.
Watch out now.
Okay, we're still going. Hold up.